guys, it's Angela. Thanks for coming back to my channel, and today we're doing a makeover transformation of my studio to what it is right now. It's been a mess for quite some time now, and I finally had the motivation to clean it. This was pretty much a one-day transformation. I just moved around my furniture, hung up some decorations, and just fixed my lighting. I love the way it came out, and I'm so excited to make more videos in here now that it's nice and clean. So without further ado, let's get this makeover started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
I have my desk, my windows. Over here is just literally just like a mess, just of clutter and crap. Like this big thing is all of my mom's stuff. This trash is goddamn so full. My shelf is probably the only thing that's like somewhat organized here. So I think I'm gonna take down all these Christmas lights because they honestly just kind of look gross. And then I want to hang up some of my drawings and stuff on the walls for inspiration. And then I want to make this area like a little like seating area that you could like sit and relax. This is going to be like my studio space area. This is obviously like my background. I film with all this other crap. So, you know, let's get into it. It's 9:15 in the morning. It's Thursday. I'm just gonna bump Erykah Badu the whole time. So I hope you enjoy this clip of me cleaning.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, I know.
My ass folded these pants and then threw them. Like, what the hell?
Darling, you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you.
So I have this chair over there. You can see it. This one right here. We've had it in my family for a long time, but like no one ever uses it. And when you sit on it, it like rocks back and forth. It really doesn't like, you know, keep you off the ground. So I'm gonna put it in the hallway and say not sturdy, but it's cute. There's a table out there I want, so I'm gonna take it. Here I go. My table now, bitch. We're making a little bit of headway. As you can tell, I mean, I got most of the stuff. I need some more like feng shui in here, so I'm gonna move my couch that was over here on this wall, and then I'm gonna take another one of those big tables and put it right here, just to see what it looks like. Okay, so I have a bunch of like old paintings right here that I think I'm just gonna move onto this thing because I have all these other old paintings. So I think this is just gonna be my old painting corner. Leave a comment below if you want me to do a artist react to like old paintings, because I think that'd be kind of fun because some of them are very tragic. Oh crap! I almost gave myself a damn hernia. Now I'm just gonna, you know, clean up this desk because it's getting out of hand.
I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you
Now it's now 11:08, so I've been cleaning for probably like 2 hours. This is what I have so far. This I just hate. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with that. Probably nothing, honestly, for right now. Definitely gonna move those, but I like the couch diagonal because I could put stuff behind it that I don't need right now. I need to move that. I'll just give you a little overview. It definitely looks cleaner. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this table here either because I don't know, I feel like it just like cuts off my little sitting area. I like this pink chair and I want it to bounce off this pink, but this might look not good with that. I think once I hang up some stuff on the walls, it will look a whole lot better. I think maybe just like some decorations just to make this place like look better. Maybe like a lamp or something. I don't know. We'll see. So
2 hours later.
okay, I left at like 11:15. It's 1. So 2 hours cleaning, 2 hours shopping, and now we gotta decorate. In total of what I spent was $118. It's a little heartbreaking to me because I'm a cheap motherfucker. These are things I got. I got this really nice pillow. I love the gold detailing and just like these little ruffles. And then I got this really soft pink blanket. This thing was cool. It was $14.99. This like laptop desk. I can like draw and use my laptop on this. I got this like Roman head sculpture. This little A for me. And then I got this little plant, a little cute thing. And then a dream catcher, and then just the salt lamp. For $118, I'm just like, what did I really buy? But these little items I really think are gonna make this place a little more homey. I don't have much space in here. I just want like my sitting area to look cute, and that's honestly probably it. And then I'll hang my pictures on the wall, and I think we'll be good. So let's get started. Have right now. It's now 2:42. So this area is starting to look nice, but honestly, like I never got a rug, so I think I might just bring back my old rug. Alrighty. This actually looks way better now. The floor's just ugly, you know. Well, my camera ended up dying and I had to finish everything and not film it. I'm so sorry about that, but I really didn't do much after my camera died. I just hung up a couple more pictures, organized a little bit, got rid of the trash again, and that was pretty much it. But I am just so in love with like what my studio looks like now. It's so clean, it's so organized. I know where everything is. I have a little sitting area I can come and chill and edit if I want. If you're feeling unmotivated and kind of lacking inspiration, I swear, clean your room. It's like having a whole new room, and now I just want to freaking make a bunch of crap. It makes me so much more motivated to want to do stuff because it's like my room's clean. Now my life is like somewhat clean, I guess. I hope you guys like this transformation. I know I did. If you guys want to see more in depth of my studio, like this video and I'll make a studio tour. And if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!